Hey guys, so today I'm going to explain you regarding my project of credit wallet CLI. You can see here, and to check my account in GitHub, you can search Ishan Shamanto, and you will see my account there. This is my account, and I have pinned this project there. So there are many other repositories. Some of them are like here, credit wallet, my achievements, and I guess you cannot see them because of my camera placement. Sorry for that. I'm recording this from my mobile camera, whatever. So today's goal is to explain the banking system, like the code I have written, the banking code here in my project banking.py, and it's version banking v02.py. Today I'm going to explain this version 2 py, and this version 1 py is the previous version or the basic version of this version 2, and there are some changes I've made in this version 2. Actually, it's an update, and I have pasted the total code in this file. To see the update, what are the update or the major security update I've done, that is here the on 21st June. Actually, the first publishing date was 18th June 2025, and I did an update here in the code, and the major security update was on 21st June. You can see the changes that I have made, like what it was before and what it was after. So in this video I am going to explain you regarding the changes that I have made, also the functions of the methods used in the code. And one thing to give you a reminder is that before watching this video, you should have a basic knowledge on object oriented principles of Python. Yes, and if you have, great, you can see the video. If you don't have, I request you to see or to learn the object oriented principles of Python. Then only this video will be helpful for you, because this entire code is depending on the OOP principles. I have copied the code, this code, where is it, version 2.py. Yes, this code you can see here, I have copied this code in my VS Code, so that it will be easy for you to see and also for me to access it here. You should have a basic knowledge on class and objects here. So this is the class banking, and then this is the methods like def init, self name, bank name, pin. Sorry for the background noise. And this is the property, and this is the pin. Okay, so let's get started. The name actually stores the name, the bank name stores the bank name, self dot pin, yes, it's a private attribute, stores the pin, and this balance in the amount is initialized to 0. And one thing to show you is this one card. It's the object calling the class banking, and contains the name of the user Ishan, that's my name, and name of the bank and the pin. Okay, now you should have knowledge regarding getters and setters. Here I have used the logic of getters property. Actually, this thing improves the readability of the code. I can see there's some problem in the focus. One second. Okay, so here I have used this method property so that I can call the method money here directly at the end of the code. Where is it? Here, card.money. I'm highlighting it. Please cooperate. Sorry, because I'm recording it with a mobile camera, so the quality may not be that much high. But you can understand, I guess so. Whatever. So here I made a method money. Okay. Please enter the amount to be deposited. Now you have a bank balance initialized to 0. Okay. So you have 0 bank balance now. You have to enter money in it, or yes, to deposit money in it. To enter the amount to be deposited, so balance is a variable that will take your input. Now there will be a condition check, like balance cannot be 0. Obviously you cannot deposit rupees 0 in your account. Okay, so the value cannot be negative also. So if the condition matches, then it will return false and it will break the loop, else it will return true and it will let you to deposit. That means it will allow you to proceed further. But before that, this is the update that I have given. Yes, this diff money deposit, this one is the update I have given here. Before depositing the money, you have to pass for security check. Now what the security check is here, that if you pin matches, like you have to input your pin, it will ask for your pin. Okay. Now you have to enter your pin. If the pin matches the stored pin with the stored pin, then only you can proceed further. If it's not, then you cannot proceed further. So this is the update I have added in this code, which was not there in the previous banking system. You can do everything or whatever you want freely. Now if this condition is true, it will pass through this one. Okay. And it will allow you to deposit money. Now this get balance is a method which will help you to uh, get an update regarding the present amount of money you are having after transaction, I mean withdrawal of money or whatever, or how much amount you are depositing money, whatever. It will give you an update or the info regarding balance only. So it's get balance regarding only balance, the current balance. Now self dot balance stores the balance, the total balance that you're having. This was all about depositing the money. Okay, money deposition. Now you want to withdraw money. Okay, obviously, so this is the method, def payment. Now I've used this so that I can directly call the method below. And sorry again, sorry for the background noise. Whatever, you can see a print, enter your pin to withdraw money. So these are some of the security checks. Sorry for the focus, please wait. Yes, okay. Autofocused and exposure have been locked. Okay, so here you have to input your pin. If the pin matches, then only you can proceed further. If no, then return false and you will go out of the loop. If matches, then amount cannot be -1. Yes, obviously you cannot withdraw -1 amount, -1 rupees something, or -300 rupees from your account. No, it's not possible. So it will return false. And if amount is less than 0, yes, this one, if amount is equals to -1. Sorry, sorry for your my mistake. Yes, amount should be less than 0. Okay, amount cannot be less than 0. If it's less than 0, it's invalid amount. Now you want to exit the transaction loop. For exiting the transaction loop, it has to be -1. If the condition matches -1, then you have to exit the loop. Else, if your input is greater than self dot balance. Okay, so you have 500 rupees but you are charging 600 rupees. Like you have 500 rupees in your bank balance, but you want to withdraw 700 rupees. That's not possible, right? So in that case, it will return withdrawal amount exceeds balance. This message will be delivered. Now if self dot balance minus amount is less equals to 0.1 of self balance. Now what is this? This is actually a warning. Okay, sometimes your real time banking apps, like payment apps or whatever, will give you a warning regarding payment or withdrawal of money, that there is some limit. Okay, here is self dot balance minus amount. Suppose you're charging a money, like you have 500 rupees, now you are charging 499 rupees. So you are near your limit, like money or the stored amount of limit. So it will give you a warning, like after that you cannot like withdraw money, because there is a minimal amount of money that will be left. Like you if you withdraw 499 rupees from 500, then there is only rupees 1. That's it. If 10% of the self balance is remaining when you are withdrawing any amount, then only this warning message will be generated. Now it will allow you to pass, or it will allow you to proceed further, and it will allow you to withdraw money, but it will give you a warning message. And here this one, self dot balance minus equals to amount, that is self dot balance equals to self dot balance minus amount. Self dot balance contains the stores the actual amount or the bank balance you are having, but after that withdrawing money, it will obviously reduce and the value will be updated. Okay, so it will give you a warning message. Or if your else in this case, if your amount is minimal, like you have 500 rupees but you are charging 250 rupees, it will not generate any such error. So this condition will only run if the amount that you are actually asking for, or the you're withdrawing from the bank. Okay, so if that is, if self dot balance minus amount, that value is less than 0.1%, 0.1, I mean 0.1 is the 10% of the self balance, then only this warning message will be generated. Now this is the object. Okay, card is the object, it's a banking calling the class, and it contains the values of the previously called variables, that is this one. Self.name, name Ishan, self.bank balance, bank name, sorry, bank name, and this pin. Okay, and this one is the payment self. This is a property, you have to input the pin. I've explained this. Now this is the case that will interact with the user while true. This condition is always true until and unless you explicitly say to be terminated. Like here, what do you want like to do? So deposit money, withdraw money, view balance, view card summary, view pin, view or exit. Now this one, this number 6, if you type 6 in the command, then it will explicitly take you out of the loop. If not, then this condition is always true. So if choice is equals to 1, it will call the money deposit, like input the amount. So this money deposit, at first this method will run in the system, this one. This security check will be done here. After that, this one will run, this property one, this one, where you can enter your amount that you want to deposit into your bank balance. Okay, and then if choice is to card.payment, and then card.get balance. So get balance is the method where you can check your balance or update, and this one is a pin input equals to enter your pin to view. Okay, so this one is also a security update that I have made. When your choice will be 5, like you want to view your pin, it's somewhat like real time Google account manager, where you, if you want to see your password, you have to enter your current password. If your password matches, then only you can proceed to see your password, or else you cannot proceed to see your password. So this elif choice equals to 5, pin input equals to enter your pin to view. If the condition matches, then only you can see the printed password. Here the previous password card.pin, it stores the pin. Here you can see def pin equals to self, return self.pin. Okay, else the condition will incorrect pin, entered, access denied, you cannot see your password. And password, I mean, sorry, the pin. And here elif choice equals to 6, I mean, this is the one where you can explicitly come out of the loop. There's one, and the while true, that loop will break. If choice equals to 6, it will give you a message like exiting thank you, and it will break. And if anything occurs like else, everything is not matching, anything is not matching, then invalid choice, please enter a number from 1 to 6, and it will run infinitely. So I'm going to run this code. You can see this is the terminal. What you would like to do? So at first I want to deposit my money, 1. Okay, I don't know my pin. Okay, one thing is I don't know my pin, so I have to check it. Okay, I didn't remember my pin. I guess it is a sudden shock for you, like I have opened this GitHub one, so it is taking time to adjust the focus. Sorry. Okay, no problem, I am checking it somewhere. 1 second. I know the screen has turned white. Please wait. Yeah, actually I was opening that Google for checking my pin. Okay, yes, I've copied this, enter. Now pin verified, you can deposit money, enter the amount to be deposited. So I will deposit 600 rupees. Now I have to withdraw money. I will type 2, enter your pin to withdraw money. So this is the major security update I've given. So I've given the pin here, pin verified, you can now withdraw your money, okay. For checking the warning limit, so I have deposited 600 rupees. I will type 599, it will give a warning message. You can see warning, you're near your credit limit, withdrawal of 599 is successful, new balance is rupees 1. Now again I want to withdraw money. I have entered my pin, and there, sorry, invalid actions. Oh, sorry, I have sorry, I've gave a wrong input. I have to withdraw money, so I'll type 2, and I have to enter my pin. I will press 1, that is remaining rupees 1 I am trying to take. Okay, now I have to view the card summary. So this is the card summary I'm going to have. You can check my card summary. The Ishan coding bank, the pin is hidden, only the remaining digits is shown, and this is the current balance. Okay, And if you want to check the balance, you have to type 3. You can check here, current balance is nothing, current balance is nothing, that is it's 0. So this was all about my project of credit banking CLI. Thanks for watching it.